Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flow together with ChatGPT and Google AI Studio to automate a large part of your video creation process. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open ChatGPT in your web browser. Once ChatGPT is open, look at the left side of the screen and click on Apps. After that, click on GPTs. Now, click inside the search bar and type Free AI Story Generator. Wait for the search results to appear. Once you find it, click on it to open its page. You'll see a button that says Start Chat. Click on that button to begin a new conversation with the GPT. Now type the following prompt, "Give me a short moral story in English." Then press Enter and let the GPT generate the story. Within a few seconds, you'll receive a complete moral story. Once you're happy with the story, highlight the entire script and copy it to your clipboard. Now, open Google AI Studio in a new browser tab. Inside Google AI Studio, navigate to the Text-to-Speech section. Paste the story you copied from ChatGPT into the text box. Click on the speaker settings. You'll see several voice options available. Search for the voice named Aeronome and select it. Next, look for the speaking style and choose Newscaster. Now, locate the pace setting. Keep the pace natural. Next, choose the accent. Select American South. After you've finished adjusting the settings, close the settings panel. Everything is now ready. Click Run to generate your narration. In just a few moments, Google AI Studio will create a realistic AI voiceover based on your story. Listen to the preview carefully.
One day, a boy named Liam found a small bag of seeds on the road. Instead of keeping them, he asked around until he found the owner, an elderly gardener. The gardener smiled and gave Liam one seed as a reward.
If you're satisfied with how the narration sounds, go ahead and download the audio file to your computer. Go back to ChatGPT. Now type the following prompt, "Give me the image prompts for this entire script with character style prompt." Press Enter and let ChatGPT generate the response. After a few moments, you'll notice that ChatGPT creates two important sections. The first section contains a character style prompt. This prompt defines the appearance of your main characters. Select only the character style prompt first and copy it. Now open Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, create a new project if you haven't already. You'll find an area where you can enter your main prompt. Paste the character style prompt into that section. Before generating anything, take a quick look through the available settings. Make sure the quality, aspect ratio, and image generation options match the type of content you're creating. If you're making YouTube videos, choose the settings that best fit your preferred video format. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Google Flow will now use the character style prompt to create a reference image containing all of the important characters described in the story. This reference image acts as the visual foundation for every scene we'll generate later. Since all future images will reference these characters, they'll remain much more consistent from beginning to end. Once you're satisfied with the generated character image, download it to your computer. Now, we'll use this image as a visual reference to create every individual scene in our story. Go back to Google Flow and locate the image upload area. Drag and drop the character reference image that you just downloaded. After uploading the image, return to ChatGPT. Locate the list of scene image prompts that were generated earlier. Copy all of them. Then return to Google Flow. Inside the prompt area, replace that placeholder with the scene prompts you copied from ChatGPT. Next, make sure the Agent option is enabled. This feature allows Google Flow to intelligently process multiple scene descriptions while preserving the overall consistency of your project. Now click Settings. Review the available options one more time. After making your adjustments, click Save. Everything is now ready. Click Submit. Google Flow will begin generating every scene described in your prompts.
Depending on the complexity of the scenes and server demand, this process may take a few minutes. While the images are being generated, it's worth mentioning why this workflow is so effective. Instead of creating images one by one using different prompts, we're giving Google Flow a complete collection of scene descriptions along with a consistent character reference. This dramatically reduces inconsistencies and saves a tremendous amount of time.
Click on the three dots for the first image. From the menu, choose Rename. Rename the image according to its position in the story. For example, you can use names like Scene 01, Scene 02, Scene 03, and continue the sequence until every image has been renamed. Now that all of our scene images have been generated, it's time to organize everything before we transform these still images into animated videos. After every image has been renamed, download each one to your computer. Go back to the main page of Google Flow. Click the Back button. Now select New Project. Inside the new project, upload every image you just downloaded. Let's return to ChatGPT one more time. This time, type the following prompt. Generate video prompts for these images. Press Enter. ChatGPT will now generate detailed motion prompts for every single scene. Once ChatGPT finishes generating all of the video prompts, copy all of them. Return to Google Flow. Paste all of the video prompts you copied from ChatGPT. Take one final look at the project settings before submitting. Once everything looks good, click Submit. Google Flow will begin analyzing your uploaded images together with the motion prompts you've provided. In many cases, Google Flow will display a review or approval request before processing the project. If you see this approval screen, simply click Approve. Once the rendering is complete, download all of the generated video clips to your computer. Open Canva and create a new video project. Choose the aspect ratio that best fits the platform where you plan to publish your content. For YouTube, a widescreen format works perfectly. Now, upload all of your downloaded video clips along with the voiceover that you created earlier in Google AI Studio. Once the upload is complete, drag the voiceover onto the timeline first. Next, drag your first video clip onto the timeline. Continue adding the remaining video clips one by one. Adjust the length of the video clip so that it perfectly matches the spoken words. Arrange them according to the numbered sequence that you created earlier. Once all of your clips are aligned with the narration, play the entire video from beginning to end without making any changes. Watch it just as a viewer would.
One day, a boy named Liam found a small bag of seeds on the road. Instead of keeping them, he asked around until he found the owner, an elderly gardener. The gardener smiled and gave Liam one seed as a reward. Liam planted it, watered it every day, and soon it grew into a beautiful sunflower. People admired the flower, but Liam knew its true value came from the honest choice that led to it.
Once you're completely satisfied with the final result, click the Export or Download button. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the complete workflow. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials about AI tools, content creation, automation, and the latest techniques to help you create amazing videos faster and smarter. Thank you so much for watching.